Hi friends, I am Lalit Vasist. Now Saturn has become the planet having largest number of moons as scientists have found its 20 new moons. It was fun to find that Saturn is the true moon king, said astronomer Scott Sheppard of the Carnegie Institution for Science. Before this discovery, Jupiter had the largest number of moons, equal to 79, but now Saturn has replaced it with a total of 82 moons. But still, there is one area where Jupiter holds first position. Jupiter, the largest planet in the solar system, still has the largest moon, named as Ganymede. But it's no more a planet having largest number of satellites. These newly found 20 moons of Saturn are very small in size, hardly 3 miles in diameter. According to Sheppard, 100 even tinier moons may be orbiting Saturn, still waiting to be found. As Saturn is farther away in comparison to Jupiter from us, it's much more difficult to find new mini-moons around Saturn when compared to Jupiter. So seeing that Saturn has more moons, even though it is harder to find them, shows just how many moons Saturn has collected over time, he wrote in an email. According to scientists, these baby moons may have come from the moons of Saturn that were larger in size that broke apart right after the formation of Saturn. Out of these 20 newly discovered moons, 17 moons orbit in the opposite or retrograde direction, while other 3 revolve in the same direction that Saturn rotates. These moons are present so far away from their parent planet that it takes nearly 3 years to complete one revolution around the Saturn. These moons are the remnants of the objects that helped form the planets. So by studying them, we are learning about what the planets formed from, Sheppard wrote. So for now, Saturn has the largest number of known moons, but researchers are still searching the answer to the question whether any planets beyond our solar system have even more moons. So friends, this is all for now. Please like and share this video if you found this video interesting and informative. And for more such videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel Engineering Made Easy. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Bye bye and take care.